Nancy Kohli, our top story. India is all ready to welcome the first batch of the 5 Rafale jets in Ambala today. The 5 best in their class fighter jets is the first tranche of 36 planes bought by India from France in a 59,000 crore rupee intergovernmental deal in 2016. 10 aircraft have been delivered so far. 5 will stay back in France for the training mission. All 36 aircraft will be delivered on schedule by the end of 2021. Here's a report.
The Rafale is one of the world's most sophisticated fighter jets, and 5 of them arrive in India on Wednesday, adding to the country's air power capabilities, sending a clear signal to all adversaries. The 5 Rafale fighter jets took off for India on Monday morning from Dassault Aviation Facility in Marignac Air Base in French port city of Bordeaux. All 5 aircraft reached the UAE after travelling for a few hours. On Wednesday, they will land at Ambala Air Base in Haryana.
पूरे भारतवर्ष के लिए खुशी का मौका है। जिस दूरदर्शिता से राफेल का ये लेने का फैसला किया गया और उसको अंजाम दिया गया और बाकी भी हवाई जहाज जल्दी आएंगे, ये लोगों को विश्वास है। आज देश के हर नागरिक को गर्व है कि हमारी रक्षा के बारे में जो जागरूकता है और रक्षा के बारे में जो तैयारी है, उस पे लोगों को नाज है।
Adequate security arrangements have been made around the Ambala Air Force Station.
सिक्योरिटी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अम्बाला पुलिस हमेशा तत्परता से तैयार है और किसी भी प्रकार की सिक्योरिटी में लैप्स तो पहले से ही बर्दाश्त नहीं है। लेकिन राफेल के संबंध में पहले से ही प्रशासन की तरफ से चिट्ठियाँ जारी हैं कि पक्षियों को दाना नहीं डालना है, नो फ्लाई जोन, नो ड्रोन जोन एरिया है। और पहले भी आपको पता है कैंट एरिया तो वैसे ही सेंसिटिव है, इसलिए वहाँ पे ड्रोन तो वैसे ही अलाउड नहीं है। यदि कोई उसकी वायलेशन करेगा तो उसके खिलाफ अभियोग भी अंकित होगा।
The IAF pilots flying these aircraft have undergone extensive training, which included air-to-air refueling, which was successfully carried out with the help of a special French Air Force tanker en route to the UAE. After completing the 7,000-kilometer journey, they will officially be inducted into the Indian Air Force as part of the number 17 Squadron, also known as the Golden Arrows. The Rafale is capable of carrying a range of potent weapons. European missile maker MBDA's Meteor Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air missile and Scalp cruise missile will be the mainstays of the weapons package. Rafale fighter jets will give India a strategic edge over the enemy.
Rafale is a very extremely versatile aircraft. What makes it unique is the array of armament and the payloads that it can carry, the combat radius that it operates on, and the types of avionics that are installed on that aircraft. So all these things make it a very formidable aircraft in the skies of this subcontinent. No air force in this subcontinent carries this capability on board.
In September 2016, India and France signed a 59,000 crore rupee deal for 36 Rafale jets. The jets had several enhancements made to India's specifications. In October last year, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh accepted the first Rafale manufactured by Dassault Aviation. He also saw for himself the Rafale's immense capabilities from the sky. With Sudhir Yadav and Nandita Dagar in Delhi, Newsnight Desk, DD India.
And our correspondent Nandita Dagar is in Ambala and reports on the eagerly awaited arrival of the first Rafales.
Here at Ambala City, Section 144 has been imposed. Videography and photography has been prohibited. Even drones are not allowed because the Ambala Air Force Base is eagerly awaiting, not just Ambala, the entire country. India is awaiting the arrival of the first 5 Rafales from France. And they took off on Monday from France. They had a brief stopover in UAE, and today, that is Wednesday, 2 p.m. in the afternoon, or approximately 2 p.m. they are supposed to land here at the Ambala Air Force Base. Air Chief Marshal R.K. Bhadauria, the Air Force Chief, is likely to receive these fighter jets. Now these fighter jets can prove to be a significant game changer for India as far as its war readiness is concerned, because these Rafales are armed with Meteor beyond visual range missiles, Scalp air to ground cruise missiles with impeccable lethality. Also, they are armed with Hammer precision guided kits which can actually target bunkers, tanks, subterranean bunkers, all of these with pinpoint accuracy and lethality. The Rafales will add significant teeth to India's operational readiness because they are capable of taking off from high altitude air bases such as our air bases in Ladakh. With camera person Smriti in Ambala, this is Nandita Dagar for DD News.
Prime Minister Modi will join